Let's go, everyone. Today, super excited to be unboxing this kit from a company called The Chemical Guys. And this is a fabric cleaning kit for carpet and upholstery shampoo. So I'm gonna use this for cleaning up my old truck. So I'll show you what this looks like. I already started opening some of this on the bottom, but I want to show you all what the unboxing experience is like. So nice packaging. Heard this works well for carpets, seats, and floor mats, so it's mainly what I got it for. Looks like it's concentrated. Alright, so set this aside. And this little scrubbing tool that came with it in this kit. Carpet and upholstery detailing brush. So this came together as a kit. I'll drop a link in the video description below on where I got this from. And wow, please let me know what you think of this in the comment section below. I feel like in the product description there was like a chemical Guys logo on here, but it looks like the one I got does not have that, but hopefully still works as well. And again, these two came together. Alright everyone, yeah, check the video description below on where I got this from, and hope you're all doing well. Catch you all in the next unboxing video. Later.